So you can, once you've signed in, you can use Amazon to order almost all of your daily need requirements. So this is the homepage which shows all the daily offers and deals, etc. And if you don't find something here, you can always search for it. So for example, you need a charger, you search Android charger cable. Then they have a large variety of products to choose from. And for example, you like this one, you can click on every product, you can see the specifications and review, customer question answers, reviews, etc. And if you like it, you can go ahead and click buy now. Then you enter in your name, mobile number, address. And then you can choose a delivery time. And say continue. Then you can choose how you want to pay. You can obviously do any of the online options like credit card, debit card, net banking, or you can also pay on delivery. So then you don't have to pay before. You choose this and continue. Just confirm your order. And done. The order has been placed.